Welcome to Brutus Energy Bot on Telegram. If you want to rent energy, you can follow the steps below. First, you need to begin a conversation with the bot, Brutus Energy Bot. Once you started a conversation, you can check the availability of energy using the command /available. You can then calculate the cost of the service using the /calc command. For example, if you want to rent for 3 days, you would type /calc 100,003. If you want to rent for an hour, you would type /calc 100,001h. Knowing the availability and cost, use the /by command followed by the energy wallet in days. For example, if you want to rent 100,000 energy for 3 days, you would type /by Tron wallet address 100,003. If you want to rent for an hour, you would type /by Tron wallet address 100,001h. The bot will respond to your request with the cost of the operation and a wallet to send the payment to. Once the payment is made, you need to confirm the operation using the /confirm command, followed by the hash of the transaction. The bot will then assign the energy automatically and send a confirmation message. Thank you for your attention.